everyone, and today's video is going to be curling my hair with a curling iron and putting my Velcro rollers. My Velcro rollers look like this again. If you guys want to see my how-to Velcro rollers, I will link it below, but it's pretty popular video. I don't know if it may be because of the style of Velcro rollers I have, but they have the little clip. I'm going to turn the camera just a little. There we go. And I just went ahead and brushed my hair out with my round brush. I'm pretty sure it's looking good. There we go. And hopefully you guys can see everything I'm doing preferably well. This background here, I'm thinking about switching my backgrounds up quite a bit, so I might do that in the next video to attempt to do it. And I'm trying to get my camera kind of angled the way I want it. Okay, first I am going to show you guys the curling iron I'm going to be using, which is by Pro Beauty Tools. Get you guys a little closer view. There we go. There. I want you guys to be like, you know, too focused into me, so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. But this is it's the 300, 375 to 430. I do not go to the 430, but I go about 375. I don't like using hair tools too often because I'm afraid it's going to fry my hair. I had that problem a while back because I had really pretty long hair, probably almost to the underneath of my boob, or yeah, boobies, and I had to cut it because I fried my ends, and I just cut it choppy and went with it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to firstly put in my Nexus curling cream. I'm going to try to make this video not that long, but we're going to have a chatty time in this video, because I want to know what other videos you want me to do. So if you guys like my plan with me's, which I just did one a couple days ago, or if you guys like the beauty ones, like the makeup, the hair, using a Dollar Tree heat protectant. I just put it in this bottle because it works a lot better. And we'll go ahead and brush through. And I always part my hair on a deep side part. Brushing it out now. Okay. Now we're going to get started. I have a moisturizing spray. It's from So Gorgeous. I'm just going to throw this on just a little bit. It just helps moisturize my hair a lot, so I don't fry my hair. And then I have as my hairspray, or spritz spray. I always called it spritz spray whenever I was younger, but I just have the Salon Selectives Volumizing. I have a bunch of hair clippings, and then I have my brush here, little brush, my Velcro rollers, my hair tool, and my round brush. Okay. Got a clip. I always clip it to my shirt for some reason. I don't know. I think it's a habit. Okay, I'm going to start sectioning the top layer. My hair is super thick. It takes me forever to curl, but It's the only way my hair kind of looks good. So I'm going to separate the back that and put this side kind of just out of the way. Might have to use another hair clippy for this side. It always likes to maneuver over. I'm just going to zoom you guys in just a little further, just so you guys get a more of an idea. Okay, and I'm left with just the bottom half here. Sorry if I'm looking into the camera because I kind of see myself now. I start usually with my smaller Velcro rollers. I like them a lot better. Just start out right here. Not too big of a section. Probably about it's about an inch or so. Go ahead and take my curling iron. Ooh, shiny. And I'm having the top portion of the curling iron to the top, or like the barrel part, and I'm just going to take it and keep it there for just a few seconds until my hair's hot. Just kind of lightly, and while it is cooling, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the curler. Maybe. These Velcro rollers are a little hard to get used to. I'm just going to go ahead and do the back one, just so I can get it out of the way. Ooh, sorry guys. I'm just going to go ahead and curl. I'll show you again how I do it after I put this one in. Okay. And I want to take a little bigger of a piece, probably about 2-inch thickness, and I'm just going to take a bigger Velcro roller and go ahead and curl this piece. And take it out. This is just to help it cool. I personally, I don't know, I usually do pin curls if I let them cool, because I think they're much easier to handle and I can kind of see better what I'm doing. With these, it's kind of like maneuvering them in. Gonna do this section. These bottom sections, I don't really mess with these too much. I'm lucky to get them in a Velcro roller because they are short. Yeah, they are super short. See how I'm trying to like maneuver. Okay, one more piece here. this video I want to try not to make too long. Wrong way. I'm trying to make them go the right way. I always go away from my face. Okay, there's that. And we're going to spray it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom layer of this one to kind of get this one done, because these are my harder sections to do. So if you hear water running or anything, I'm doing laundry. It has to be done. So go ahead and do this back piece. Try not to burn myself in the process. These Velcro rollers get kind of twisted up. Okay. I think I'm going to do this in one section right here, just so I can kind of get it out of the way. I'm just going to use the 1/2 inch, pretty sure 1/2 inch Velcro roller to do it. And again, clip up, and then I twist out that way. Usually this is about the regular curl that you'll get. They're not, you know, the sassy spiral curls. Okay, that section's done. Simple. And now I'm going to go ahead and do another section, and I'll be right back. We're back. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the top portion here. Okay. I'm going to start towards the back here. I'm going to clip this little section up so I just have this portion here to work with. Brushing that out. Touch you guys just a little bit. And this is going to be one clip here because I want to use one of the, I'm just going to use one of the jumbo. That's what I'm going to call them, jumbo. Jumbo hair clips. And I'm just going to hold it. Okay, slip that out. Now for these, because they're bigger, I'm going to have them go this way. Where's my clip? There it is. These are so bigger clips. They're hard to maneuver. Okay. I'm going to do another kind of bigger section. Oh, fell out piece. I'll probably be able to work with one of these little ones here. Okay. Boop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oops. Okay. Now there's this little baby section, which I'm actually going to use another one of these bigger ones. Now remember, where you get pieces close to your face, they need to go away from your face. To me, that's the most better fashioned, is if it is away. Ahead. These clips are hard to get on. Okay, now we have this side pretty much completed. I'm going to spray it, and now I'm going to do this section here, and I'll be right back. Now we're at the almost done mark, so we're going to go ahead and do this top layer here, and I'm going to start back in this corner here, this big chunk. This out of the way. I'm going to brush out this chunk of hair. I'm going to use one of the jumbo hair rollers. Get my curling iron and go ahead and and also my knee is feeling pretty good. It has its moments. And then we are going to do another one, a little bit of a skinnier, fuller one with another jumbo. Try to get all the pieces. Okay, I'm going to grab the hair, straight up, and pull down. Inside out. Take your ruler, stick it there. Okay. Now I'm going to go this way, which would be vertical. And I'm just going to take a ½ one. Oops, I didn't get all of it in there. These Velcro rollers have their limits. There we go. Okay, we'll go straight across again. I change my direction, which is always a good thing. when you are curling your hair. And I raise up on these, like the middle section, so I have a lot of volume. One more section. And this one, I'm going to put in another jumbo. Now this one, you're going to really need to pay attention to, because it is like the bang area, or my side bangs. And I want them to go this way, but away from my face. So I want to take my hair curler and run it through once, get it down, and then I kind of twist. Wrong way. Okay. Make sure my tangles are out. And I'm going to go wrap around about once, and if any curls come out, you're going to have to do them separately. I always have trouble because I have different layers in my hair, so I have to kind of maneuver with those. And there we go. And give it a good spray afterwards. Turn off my curling iron. This is what. Boop, boop. Yep, that's what these look like. I'm going to wait for them to all cool, and I'll be back with the final results. Guys, I am back, and I'm going to go ahead and take it out so I can show you guys how they look. I'm going to start under here, and all I do is roll it out. Doesn't really get you the best curls, but they're kind of easy to do if you want easy curls before like work or something. And I'll shake them more out once I take them all out. Sometimes I just pull them down and it gets them a nice twirly curl. Give me some volume. I have a lot of volume as it is, so don't really gotta try. I've always had a lot of volume in my hair. See, you get like bouncy curl. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I just kind of slightly pull them down to get an angle on some of them, because I like my hair to have a little bit of definition. See there? Go ahead and do these ones. The battery's gonna be almost dead, so I'm gonna fasten this up. See? Volume. If you get that volume, if you go up. Oh, the clip fell out. Oh, no. See. Velcro rollers. I like Velcro rollers because they're simple to use, but they break so easy a lot of times. This is what it looks like without running my fingers through it. It's pretty nice. I'm just going to run my fingers kind of lightly through it, especially the bang area, to kind of help it kind of get its bounce back. Run my fingers through this. Sometimes I put some oil, argan oil. I need some more of this here soon. Not that much. Run it through my fingers and then through the hair, just to kind of mold the curls. And I even put it back here. This will also help if my hair got damaged any. It will replenish it back. It'll help with frizz, which I have quite a bit sometimes. Just kind of lift the root a little bit at the back, just because I like a lot of volume. Okay, now if I can't get my bangs to stay, I will usually take my pieces at the front and just tease them so they kind of stick. Kind of maneuver them a little bit. And I just back comb. Just back comb a little bit. Like the ones that don't like to stay, I will just give them some volume back to the root. This isn't really, I wouldn't wear my bangs usually down, like if they were straight I would, but curly I usually like to have a braid, but that's how they are. Beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.